Fixing keyboard. I'm gonna need duct tape.
Where's that guy in the helicopter going?
Not sure, but he might know how to disarm this place.
Then try not to kill him.
Oh, I got power fists. That's a better thought.
I think I'm Latin.
You're
My
what?
character just said, I think my character's Latin. I think she said something in Spanish. But I don't speak Spanish.
Touch the other helicopter. Wow. Wow, don't die this time.
I'll try.
Shandi, you have that place cleaned up yet?
What do I look like, the damn maid?
I know you're pissed off at life right now, but do you have to take everything so literal?
We're sitting on a bomb here and you're making jokes.
Yes.
See, there you go again.
I keep pressing shift, like in Minecraft, to go down. Not comparing Minecraft.
I have the Aqua Teen Hunger Force playing on my radio.
Okay.
I thought you should know that.
I want some classic. Oops, missed.
The homies say ho and the girlies want to scream. We are the Aqua Teens. Oh, and the girlies want to scream. There's people shooting like missiles at us.
Well, that was close. Well, that's a great landing.
Looks like these things are on a coded timer and the clock's ticking. You got him yet?
No,
Relax,
you
I'll get
don't.
the code.
Nope.
There you go,
No
wait.
codes, just 4 wires. Red, green, blue, and
Wow.
black.
Don't get
You
caught
got
up
it
in the
here
details. The
fast.
point is I'll find out how to disarm the bomb.
They should never have pulled the safe.
Damn it, I don't have time for these assholes.
Ah, screw this. I'm just running. Let's leg it. Hey, you. Get here. I got him. I got him.
Eh.
How do I defuse the bomb? The red wire! Cut
Protect
the
my
red
ass.
wire! Smart boy.
Haters gonna hate.
I can kill him.
Yeah.
That was it.
You
we
should
got
snap
that.
his neck.
Shandi, cut the red one.
Damn, I lost a bet.
Got colas. Joe
Jean-
Cola.
The Saints aren't going to back down.
Maddie, there's nothing to worry about.
I thought exactly, Mr. Kilbane. The Saints are no more than a white noise of empty threats.
At least try to use some French accent. Not French.
With respect,
French
sir.
words.
I'd say empty is no longer applicable.
Yes, it is. Still applicable.
Alright.
I got some money.
I got some money too.
And I got some
Respect for
Yes, same.
Ribs Sink. Alright, I'll have this one, and you can have Shawnee's ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
I'll take
Let's
yourself.
make it man cave.
Okay.
Sharing customization is now available at the Saint HQ. Oh! Oh! We got challenges, I guess?
Yeah.
People task.
Oops. I didn't mean to answer
those
that.
syndicate assholes don't know when to quit. They're attacking our crib, and we need help driving them off.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, they're outside.
I jump first.
That was a nice workout.
I can take another one.
What? What the hell? Miss.
I think I need to find a weapon shop. Or ammo.
I'm
I
gonna
wanna upgrade my
mistake you
pistols.
for one of them soon. Sure of it.
Don't shoot the sexy one.
That's gonna be hard. I got hot shots for you, girls. Take this.
2 of 9 waves.
That's gonna be. What the hell? I got hit by a mailbox or newspaper box.
I think I have a taser. I don't know where I go, but I have a taser.
No one stands in my way for long.
Killing guys.
Oh,
I'm a
we had, like,
badass.
we're timed. Oh.
Easiest way to kill people.
Okay, we have 38 seconds to kill the wave.
Oh.
Shit, nice shot.
If I could stop lagging. Ow! Dude, that's my car now.
Ah!
What did you just do?
A car exploded like right by me.
Uh-huh. Blame the cars.
It did. It did.
What the hell's these?
Set me on fire. Okay. Run out of ammo.
What the hell's that? Grave digger? Oh, I got a Hummer.
Parties with the rich and famous usually involve expensive champagne, recreational drugs, and numerous hookers. Now,
That's gonna go boom.
gunfights can be added to that list.
This girl has a tail.
Shots were fired in a downtown
Where did you get your tail? Yes.
And at least
And
one
cat
noise
ears.
complaint filed by a neighbor. The reason for the violence
Cat
is
ears?
unknown. However,
Girl, you
So
don't
like
know
a
how to look.
headband.
It looks like a
flame was seen
demon or
after a
something.
fight broke out.
Well, it could be. I
Among
don't
the
know.
attendees were several
Doesn't a demon
local
tail?
and foreign businessmen, as well as a reported appearance of Indian saints. This is Jane Valderrama with your Steelport celeb.
Nice work, that.
I wish this was like an RPG where you could like loot people's clothes.
Oh.
Oh,
I need help. Don't get set on fire.
Oops. Just leaped into the car.
Oh.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
First reflex when you get revived. Get set on fire.
Stands in my way for long.
Why can't I just use this? Careful, girls. There's gonna be a boom.
I'm on live too. Shit.
I don't have any missiles anymore.
Oh, damn.
Sorry, sir. You went my way.
Oh,
Leave
maybe.
the homeless woman alone.
Now I'm dying.
Bye bye, girl. No, you are not dying.
I am. I'm trying to
Shut
okay,
up.
I'm going
You're
up.
not
I'm going
dying.
up.
You are not. Oh yeah. Get right next to the car that's gonna blow up. Ooh, nice car.
Revival needed.
Where?
I'm like right behind you.
Yeah. Thank you, guy.
Wow.
Quick, quick,
Don't
quick.
die.
Revive,
Don't die.
revive, revive.
Oh.
No! Okay, let's not do that again.
Ignore all phone calls.
Maybe not. Some of
We
them
need to
are
find,
fun.
oh, they took $4,000 for taking us to the hospital.
Oh, I don't have the
Um,
money to buy the hospital.
Let's,
It's only 4,000.
I need the weapon shop. I can afford that.
Taxi!
I don't want
Ow. You ran me over.
to. Get his license number?
Can I take the ambulance? Oh,
Probably.
I actually
It's mine now.
Alright. Man.
What is that truck? How do I turn
Alright, I'm going to a weapon shop.
Okay, I follow you.
I can beat anyone.
We are in the wrong neighborhood.
We're on the wrong side of town.
I'm just gonna be there for the guys you kill on your way.
The car is so slow. I guess it builds up, but still.
I'm getting out.
I want a better car before I get out.
I got ran over.
Oh, that's cool. Rats.
Garbage truck! Garbage truck! I ran away. It went away.
Technically legal.
I say it's my car.
What's that?
What are all of these cars?
Wow. Bullet to the face. This guy is just cool.
Van a prender.
Yeah, I guess you are Hispanic.
Why?
Para aprender. Meaning, go learn. Yes, I speak a bit of Spanish. I fell down.
Upgrade.
Baseball bat.
Oh, it's 10,000 to upgrade my pistol. Lame.
Ooh, I want these.
Guess that's good for now. Don't forget to buy like more grenades and stuff.
Yes, Mom, I will. Don't worry.
Better.
Molotov cocktails, flashbangs.
Motorcycle.
Just a sec.
Oh no, that's a scooter. Never mind. I'm gonna go stand on this corner.
I'm there. Taking my car back. My beautiful car.
At the Ultra
Okay,
Corporation,
we need
feel
to
the same
accomplish
burden
something.
all its
I don't know
citizens
what.
feel. We want them to
Actually,
look
look like standing on the corner of a road.
Mission
I want
accomplished.
a reinforced truck. Sorry, sir. My security service. I call it
No
tight.
cars out.
Guy, where are you going?
a new beacon to the city skyline. We are Ultor. And
All
we
right.
are here for you.
Where are we going?
Ultor,
So you know,
a
if you
brighter
find a car, you
future
can take
and
back
a
to your
better
crib,
life.
and then
I
you
know.
can use it anytime you want. Okay.
Corporation.
I know.
Just making sure.
Alright, my children, prepare to listen to a group ranked as one of the top
Hallelujah.
musical artists of all time. It's Run DMC
Where are we going
on
anyways?
the mix.
Don't know. Hold on. Ow.
Oh, that was you. Oh.
I'm gonna follow these signs.
The blue signs?
Yep.
Okay. I'm coming.
I'm trying to figure out why.
Let's do a mission.
I want to know what technically legal is.
It's a street.
There's a street? I thought it was like a store or something.
It's a street.
Hey, I think I'm ready to make a move on the syndicate.
What do you have in mind?
Head to the crib. I found something you should see.
Better be worth my time.
I think it's a safe bet it'll be worth it.
That's slow.
Uh-huh. Get in front and brake.
I am
You'll
in
see.
front. Nah.
I may be slow, but I was in front. Bye-bye. Dude, that car is really slow. Can I at least drift? I want a Ferrari! I just smashed it. My car! Okay, this car is fast. I'll be there in no time. Okay. Maybe it's fast, but it doesn't turn as quickly as I thought.
One of my tires went out.
Get in.
Buddy left your channel.
Sorry for the team speak.
So rude, Rara. Jeez.
That's how you get in?
Car's ugly.
What?
So you know, your car's ugly.
Oh, okay. Because I heard something else that I'm not gonna say on the... Akai! What was that for?
These bikes always turn me
Motorcycle.
These bikes always turn me on. Okay. Very explicit. Yeah.
Oh, there's another one over here.
I want to get this car inside my garage. Yes! I want to modify it now.
Oh yeah, I'll take the kids in.
Customize. I got 41 bucks. We need to do stuff. Quick.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah!
Down.
E. E.
Now where the fuck are we supposed to go? What? Oh, it's up there.
Customize. I guess I'll do this later.
Yeah, because I don't have any cash.
Oh, I have like 7,000. I think.
Get in my car. We'll go up faster. Okay.
No, I'm gonna take the elevator, and I'm gonna go straight to the penthouse. I think this will have to be the last mission.
The last mission for what?
Before I go to bed, I have to get up in like 5 hours.
Yeah, and that was me yesterday.
And so, your point. Oops. Not the
You
right.
brought us back.
Check it out, boss.
What's up?
Since this used to be a syndicate crib, thought I'd poke around and see what they left behind.
Alright, so what am I looking at?
Safety deposit keys. Now, don't you want to know what it is they all got locked up?
The syndicate will know we have the keys. They'll be waiting for us to make a move.
Well, I guess then you better watch my back.
Alright, let's go.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's just go.
What happens now?
I'm gonna go in, open the safety deposit boxes, get the shit, and then come out.
Sounds easy
Big
enough.
guns.
Fuck no.
Always exaggerating,
girls.
Pierce.
Just be ready
God,
when I come out.
I'm always ready.
Well, that was fast.
Mission completed.
Seriously?
Alright, I'm coming out now. Keep my ass covered till I can find somewhere to hide.
Sure.
Okay.
Did you get what we
Let's
need?
shoot the
Hell yeah.
purple car. Hey!
Never fight your betters.
My enemies don't last.
I see that. I see that they don't last. Oh, helicopter, drive better. All I see is Akai's gun. Oops, may have shot the purple car. Haters are gonna.
I think it's taking damage from explosions.
Yeah, but I can't see. People.
Two cars.
That's all sorted.
Steelport will be mine.
Steelport will be mine.
Will be. Oh my god, we just killed him.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, last mission.